Hi everyone, I'm Siuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video I will show you how to do the CapCut trend on TikTok. This trend is popular because it allows you to create visually stunning videos with minimal effort, helping your content stand out on TikTok. So let's get started on how to do the CapCut trend on TikTok. First, open the CapCut app on your mobile device. Tap on the New Project option. Select the photos that you want to use for the trend video. You can select up to 11 photos. Once selected, tap on the Add button at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select a photo, then tap on the Effects option. Next, tap on the Style option and find the 3D zoom effect. Tap on this effect to apply it. Repeat the same process for each photo until all the photos have the 3D zoom effect. Once you have added, your photos should have a 3D effect like this. Set the first 4 photos to be 0.5 seconds long and make the remaining photos 0.3 seconds long each. If you want, you can add audio to the edit by selecting a song that fits the trend. Once you are happy with the edit, tap on the Export button at the top right corner to save your video. And this is how you can do the CapCut trend on TikTok. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.